everybody. It's Bella. I'm new at this, so bear with me. I'm going to do an unboxing today of my Parrot Disco that my husband was so nice to get me. You can check us out on Facebook at Drone Hub West Texas, or you can check out his YouTube channel, Bandito FPV. This is a Parrot Disco. I got it thanks to my husband again, from SKYBOSS Drones, and they do offer some financing, so if you don't want to fork out that lot of money, you can do financing there. This thing is a full HD. It's got an autopilot. It's got 45 minutes of flying time, which is great. And the reason he got me this is I've been flying a Phantom 4. I'm trying to do FPV with his quads. I've crashed them many times, and one is lost in a cotton field somewhere in New Home. So he decided that this was a better way to do it. Still I'm learning, and I can still enjoy FPV. So let's see what's in the box. Nice little packaging. Here's the brains of this whole. This is the disco, just her body, and it snaps off. It's magnetic. This is the brain. This is the beauty of this whole thing. This is what makes it fly. It's called a chuck. I still haven't learned what all those initials stand for, but I'm sure I will. But anyway, it just snaps on right there. You get a nice, there's your remote. And this is the antenna, from what I understand. Goes 1.2 miles radius on it. I don't know that I'm going to try that out yet, but it says it can do that. And here's what allows me to do FPV. It's got a little slot right here, and you stick your phone in there, and I can do FPV with this thing. So, pretty excited to check it out. It's got a 2700 mAh battery, and then here's the charger that's going to come with it. This thing lets us fly 45 minutes, they say. It's got some extra propellers. Too much stuff. Some instructions, I'm sure, a manual. And down here, oh, there's the little deal. You can connect your phone there on that controller. Here's one of the propellers, guys.
Oh, wings.
Wings, I'm sorry. Wings. Now I'm going to snap them on because they say it's pretty easy. I want y'all to see how big this thing is. These are the cords, charge cords and things like that. Alright, here we go. So you got to line up these servos, and forgive me because this is my first time ever. And you're supposed to just line up these poles right in there. And I got to make sure this is lined up. There's one. Believe me, if I can do this, anybody can do this. And we're going to line this one up. Well, it's foam, and it just totally amazes me. And there this disco is. I'm supposed to be able to push a button when we get out in the field and just give it a toss. She goes up, I think, 150 feet, and then she loiters around me until I tell the control what to do. As they say, I think one of the guys I was watching, he goes and eats lunch or drinks a whole can of soda and is still loitering. But anyway, here it is, guys. Look for my maiden flight maybe this weekend. I'm waiting until it's not so windy, and I don't get off till 8 o'clock, so it's not the best time to be flying it. But maybe Saturday or Sunday. Bye.